Okay, students, good day. Today we're going to create your laboratory activity number 18, pass or fail. So instruction using NetBeans or any kind of Java compiler, create a class name pass or fail. Using what you have learned in Java operator, create the program. So we have this problem. We're going to create a program that will evaluate if the students can pass the subject or not based on the input grade. Passing grade is 75 and we were going to use the given examples below. So in this program, we're going to use what we have learned in declaration of variable as well as our conditional operator. So important note for this program, make sure that you comment your complete name and the date of your submission in your code window. Also, we are provided with the expected output of the program. So it is expected to printing grade, the grade, and the evaluation, as well as the result at runtime. Okay, so let's go to our NetBeans and create the program. In our NetBeans window, program window, let's go to your file, new project. In our new project dialog box, we're going to select Java with Maven, then Java application, and next. So we're going to save our project. So we're going to define our project names. So we're going to give this project as pass or fail. So pass or fail. And of course, we're going to define where we're going to save our project. So we're going to click browse button. Of course, for this example, we're going to save our project in my desktop. And of course, we're going to click new folder. And we're going to name this folder as project 18. Pass or fail. First, we're going to click the folder and click open. Next, we're going to delete the value for the package because we don't use this one. And of course, we're going to click finish. So in our project navigation pane, we're going to double click this program icon to reveal the folders. And of course, we're going to select source packages. And in our default package, we're going to right click, then select new and select Java class. For our class name, we're going to use pass or fail. The same with our project name. And of course, we're going to click finish. Now we have your code window, so we're going to delete the unnecessary comment in our code window to make it more cleaner. Inside the public class, we're going to start with, or we're going to write your public static void main or PSVM, then press tab key in our keyboard to auto-generate the code. Next, let's start declaring our variable. So based on the problem, we have two possible variables for our program, and that is the given grade, which is 74.5, and of course the status. So since the given grade is a decimal number, so we're going to declare that as double, and we're going to give it a variable name of grade equals 74.5 semicolon. Next, the status of the students refers to the result of evaluation, which is a pass or fail. So it is a string, so we're going to declare that as string status and semicolon. We don't need to give a initial value for our variable. Next, since we already declare all the variables of our problem, we're going to use a conditional operator to determine if the grade of the students is above 75. So if it is above 75, it will display the status passed. Otherwise, it will display fail at runtime. So let's start with status equals. So the grade of the student. So we're going to use the name of the variable grade. And of course, our comparison operator. Relational operator greater than or equal to 75. And of course, our conditional operator, which is the exclamation point. And of course, the word pass, if the value is satisfied, or semicolon or colon, failed, if the value or the grade is less than 75. And of course, semicolon. And that's it. So using this line of code, we will be able to determine if the grade of the students is greater than or equal to 75. So that is the status of the students, passed or fail. And what is left is to declare the result of the code at runtime. So let's start with SOUT system out.print printing grade. Next, we're going to print the grade of the student at runtime. So system out.print so grade is equals to concatenation grade, the name of the variable. And of course, the result of our evaluation. So system out.print evaluating the grade. And system out.print. So we're going to print the status of the students at runtime. Status is equals to plus status. And that's it. We are through with the code for our project. So let's go to your run button. So we first click save button and then click run project. So we're going to select the main class of our program, which is the pass or fail, and select main class. And we are able to successfully run our project. So we are able to print the expected output at runtime. So the grade of the students is 74.5 and it is a failing grade. So what happens if we're going to change the grade into 84.5? Say we're going to make this as 84.5. So since we are able to make changes with our code, so we're going again to click our save all button and then click run button. And that's it, students. So we are able to print the grade 84.5 at runtime, and this time it is evaluated as a passing grade. And that's it for your laboratory activity number 18, pass or fail. Thank you for your time, students, and again, see you in our next project.